Welcome to Harborwalk, where modern design and functionality meet the artistic spirit of Oakland's Jingletown community. This unit comes with a gym, underground parking, and one designated parking space, along with an EV charging station. Hey guys, today we're at 3090 Glasscock Street in Oakland, California, Unit 113. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium with 1,133 square feet. Come on, let's check it out. This unit comes with an open dining area, an updated kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, a Kraus sink, along with a Delta Touch faucet, with a breakfast bar included, a spacious living room with an open layout, a full-size main first bathroom with a tub, an office or multi-use bedroom, a large private patio along with a second entrance to the property, in-unit washer and dryer, along with our master suite and its own private bathroom. That comes with dual sinks and a tiled shower, along with a walk-in closet. All right, guys, that was today's tour. If you guys like this property, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box. Otherwise, follow me on social media, check out my website, chrisleeluna.com, and I'll see you guys again next time.